Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Uphakela Umthakathi ubuyelile eDalton. Where are those who said Uphakela Umthakathi was kicked out of eDalton? Ukuthi umama waseDalton uxoshe Uphakela Umthakathi wathi never, not in my house, not in my home. Angeke uzongitshela ukuthi ngenzeni emzini wami. You will never kick my friend out of my house. This is my home, this is my house. Where are those? Because Uphakela Umthakathi ubuyelile eDalton and my friend uphumile. Angithi bathi angeke aphume. They said to my friend will never leave that house because lo mama uthe go away Phakela Umthakathi. This is my house, this is not your home. Umama lo sebevumelene noPhakela Umthakathi ukuthi umama uyena uzorana i-tuck shop. Let's listen to them guys.
Ayikho kulungile hlala kanjalo fulathela kanjalo angithi indaba sayiqala kuleli gate siqeda kuleli gate yeah so lesi stokwe salomuntu okufika ibusiness le register ngawo la register kanjani ngawo kanti uyini lo muntu kuwe lo kwamasipala ibiza wena niyaganga niyaganga umasipala unikeza nina ama-permit niwanikeza abantu bokuhamba ngicela kulungeke lokho ke ngoba vele i-permit yakho mama ngoba i-permit yakho mama ngicela iqhubeke wena ke manje siyavumelana ukuthi angeke sabuye lo muntu wendoda ungalokhu report izinto ezingekho lapho ikwerekwere lihambile angithi ngeliphinde libuye la ngithi cha ulungile wendoda ikwerekwere ngeliphinde libuye la ngithi akube kanjalo ngoba umuzi womuntu lo umuzi kwamama lo ngeke thina siuhlasele njengesitolo esilapha esigangeni ingakho siza ngenhlonipho sifike sikhulume ngenhlonipho lo dadewethu wayelapha lo ihlathe ezinkulu umkhuze akukhulunywa kanje ngoba uyena ucishwa siqhathelizwe uyena umuntu ocishwa siqhathelizwe loyo la sizobuya ke mina nawe sizobuya neteam yami ezosiza iPaza shop iSpaza shop sokuqala esisilokhuzayo lesi esise-registeryo so ke akuze ukuba nankinga ke sizobuya ke kushuthi wena nje usuyi-beneficiary uqala yalo msebenzi esiwenza ngoba vele siqondile sifuna kulungela abantu bakithi kuphela asifune kuphazamisa muntu
yini ke binzima la ukuthi iyeka my friend ahambe sikhona thina we will support you, we will make sure ukuthi you run this shop yourself ukuze ube nento yokuphila ukwazi ukuthi uyiphilise awukwazi ukudependa kumuntu wokuhamba. What if this person wakes up tomorrow and say I'm going back to my country? What will your life be? Uzothembela kubani? Those who are depending on these people must prepare themselves because labantu bazohamba one day bazohamba bonke labantu aba-illegal abarana ama-small businesses ngokungekho emthethweni bese wena uzothembela kubani? Uzokondliwa ubani? If nje kusasa singavuka sithi siyamshintsha lo government sifaka i-patriotic party uzophila kanjani? Bengasekho my friend ngoba phela i-party e-patriotic angeke izivumele into yenziwa i-ANC. Uyokwenza njani-ke wena uthembele my friend? Abafuna ukurana ama-barber shop, ama-salons, ama-car wash kumele silungiselele kusemanje because labantu bazohamba vele.
So bafowethu ngiyabonga ya uzongifonela late uyeka ubutsotsi wenze nje into eqondile ya niyaphila baba. Okay.
Dalton nesesazi kade sinomama ogoloza cha lihambile ukuthi isitolo sesophatha umama lihambile bawethu
ubani owinile? Uphakela. Baphi labo ababejabula bethi hayi usehluliwe lihambile ikutshukutshu uwinile uphakela? Ngibuzile ukuthi baphi laba ababecelebrate bejabula bethi hayi uhluliwe uPhakela Umthakathi? Niyabantu abanjani ma-South Africans azonda izwe lenu? Why ningathandi uma kulungiswa izwe? Why ningajabuli uma kulungiswa izwe? Yini ebuhlungu uma nibona umuntu wakini rana i-tuck shop kuphuma izayizayi? Seningaze nijabule ukuthi hayi uPhakela Umthakathi uhluliwe lo mama umxoshile wathi eqhubeka izayizayi? Nijabule niselebrate la lokho instead ukuthi nifise ukuthi niconvince lo mama ukuthi no, wena okumele uthi urane le tuck shop ukuze uthuthuke as our fellow South Africans. nijabulela ukuthi kuthuthuka i-foreigner, lo mama uyohlala edependile kwi-foreign. Ningabantu abanjani kodwa guys? Ukuba unpatriotic kanti vele kwenza umuntu ahanjelwe ingqondo yini? Mina really angi-understand ukuthi yini ejabulisayo izwe uma ngabe licollapsa, yini ejabulisayo uma si-unemployed, singenama-opportunities. Yini wena as a South African? Okay, I understand if lento issue abantu bangaphandle. You as a South African, what makes you happy if you see your country collapsing? What makes you happy if you see your fellow South Africans unemployed, suffering? What makes you happy if you see people taking over your country? What makes you happy if you see your children being unalived by izinto ezithengwa ema-tuck shop poison ezibolile expire? What makes you happy if you see our borders opened like this? Impi ingangena noma inini sihlaselwe. What makes you happy if you see our clinics and our hospital overcrowded because of these people? Yini ekwenza ube happy? What makes you happy if you listen to Malema insulting South Africans? What makes you happy if you see foreign nationals insulting you? Because they are including all of us. If they are calling us lazy, they are calling us izilima, calling us all sorts of names. Yini ekwenza ukuthi ube happy wena ngalokho? Remember ukuthi labantu laba, even if they are insulting South Africans, they are not saying not members of the EFF. If they are saying South Africans are lazy, South Africans are stupid, South Africans are this, they are not saying except members of the EFF. They are including all of us. Even Malema, if Malema is insulting South Africans, he is including you, a member of the EFF. There is no video of Malema where he is insulting South Africans, ebese ethi except ama members of the EFF. Usho sonke. So thina siyayiwinela nje, uPhakela Mthatha will always win, and we will march until we win. We don't care about those who are saying they will not march forever. Vele, we are not forcing anyone to march forever. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.